Hey, and welcome back to LiveLeanTV. I'm Jessica Guthrow. Today I'm doing some baking up in my kitchen and I'm making this fall recipe that I think you're really gonna love. It's a really easy protein bar recipe. We get a lot of requests about protein bars, like which is the best kind of protein bar to buy, and the truth is, it's much better to make your own at home. So stick around and check out this easy protein bar recipe. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. The first step is to create our own pumpkin pie spice by using 3 teaspoons of cinnamon mixed with 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, and half a teaspoon allspice. Mix that all together. Of course, you can also just buy pumpkin pie spice at the store. They come already in a prepackaged blend. Add 1 whole 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree to a mixing bowl, or you can use fresh pumpkin if you have one. You can bake it and then puree it yourself. Also add 1 cup of oat flour, 1 cup of applesauce, unsweetened, 2 scoops of protein powder. Here I'm using egg white protein from Earth Nutri. Link is in the description below. 1/4 cup of almond butter or any nut butter of your choice. Peanut butter would be fine too. 1/4 cup of maple syrup. 3 whole eggs. And 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, or maybe more if you really like the spice. Half of a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and just a pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Now mix that all together thoroughly to get all the lumps out. Next, prep your 9x9 pan with cooking spray. Make sure to coat it thoroughly. Then go ahead and pour the batter, the whole mix, into that pan, and then spread it out and smooth out the top. Now bake it in your oven at 350 for about 40 minutes, but checking it every so often to make sure it's not burning. When you take it out, make sure it's cooked in the middle by testing it with a knife, making sure it comes out clean. If it's not cooked, put it back in for another 5 or 10 minutes. If it is, just set it off to the side, let it cool while you melt 3 tablespoons of dark chocolate in a small glass bowl with a shallow pan of boiling water. Once the bars are cooled off, you can go ahead and slice them into 10 bar shapes. Then you're gonna drizzle that melted chocolate over the top. Another option to be a little bit easier, and what I kind of wish I would have done, is just throw the chocolate chips into the batter and bake it inside the bars. That's also another option if you want to be less extra, but this does look really pretty when it's done. So these bars have to be refrigerated because there are no preservatives. So once you package them all up, make sure that you do put them in the fridge or freezer because you're not gonna eat them all in one day. So this is really gonna help you. It's like prepping in bulk, and then you can have these over the next few weeks. So Mama, thank you. Can I have a kiss? Mama, can I have a kiss? Thank you. Okay, so if you enjoyed today's recipe, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and feel free to share it with anyone else who might be interested in making these, and save the recipe for future use. If you're looking for more healthy recipe ideas to help you meal prep ahead of time so you can consistently eat healthy, then you have to join our membership site. That's where all the bomb recipes are. We have over 200, probably close to 300 recipes in there that are all healthy and all really easy to make, because we all about that healthy yet still easy life. So join us inside teamlivelean.com, and that's where you also get your monthly workout plans, plus the whole community of people that are going to support you and answer your questions along the way with your fitness journey. We'd love to see you in there. So I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching, and keep living lean. Say it. Keep living lean.